India and the European Union have finally signed a massive trade pact after nearly 20 years of negotiations. Dubbed as the mother of all deals, the free trade agreement was announced at the end of the 16th India-EU summit on January 27th. Here is a look at the major stakes as the European Union bets big on India. The India-EU trade deal brings two giants together, creating a market of nearly $27 trillion, covering 2 billion customers. The combined market accounts for around 25% of global GDP. The deal is aimed at significantly reducing tariffs for both sides while opening up new opportunities for European companies with access to a huge consumer base in India. The EU expects to double the goods exports to India by 2032. The comprehensive trade deal covers goods, services, and investments across sectors. India is set to open 102 subsectors, including financial, maritime, and telecommunications, to EU nations. European companies are poised for massive expansion opportunities in India. It could be a suitable opportunity for global investors to capitalize on the EU growth story. India will reduce or eliminate tariffs on 96.6% of EU goods exports under the trade deal. Tariffs on 30% of EU imports will be reduced to nil with immediate effect. Here is a look at the major tariff reductions proposed under the trade deal. In 2024 to 25, goods trade between India and the EU stood at $136 billion, making the EU India's largest goods trading partner. Under the trade deal, both sides aim to increase trade to nearly $200 billion by 2030. If you want to know more about global investing, follow us and subscribe to our channel.